Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn with Amna. I'm Emily.
And I'm Alex. Merry Christmas, or almost Christmas, or maybe Christmas is coming.
Yes, that beautiful time of the year. Warm lights, cozy nights, hot drinks, and maybe a little too many cookies.
Emily, there is no such thing as too many cookies.
You always say that.
Because it is true.
Today, we will talk about Christmas traditions in simple, easy English so you can practice with us.
And we will show you real sentences, real vocabulary, and real pronunciation just for beginners.
And of course, we will keep it warm, cozy, and a little magical.
Let's start with one of the most famous Christmas traditions, decorating the Christmas tree.
Alex, be honest. Do you decorate your tree early or late?
I decorate my tree early, very early.
Early, like November early?
Maybe, yes.
If the tree had feelings, it would say, "Please, it's too soon."
Maybe. Now, here is a useful sentence for you. I decorate my Christmas tree.
In the word Christmas, the T is silent. Audience, tell us, when do you decorate your Christmas tree? Early or late?
Tell us in the comments. We are curious.
Christmas lights make everything beautiful.
Yes, streets, houses, shops, everything becomes bright and colorful.
A simple sentence for you. I love Christmas lights.
Emily, do you like white lights or colorful lights?
White lights. They feel soft, peaceful, and calm.
I like colorful lights. They feel like a party.
Of course, you love everything loud and bright.
Excuse me, I am a calm person.
No, you are not.
Last year, I put lights around my house, but they fell down in 10 minutes.
That is so you.
And while lights make Christmas bright, another thing makes it delicious: the food.
Christmas food is special, warm, and full of love.
And sweet, soft, and so tasty.
Yes, delicious is the main part for you.
Absolutely.
Here is a useful sentence. I enjoy Christmas dinner with my family.
Enjoy means you feel happy and you like it.
Christmas dinner usually has roast chicken, vegetables, pie, and warm drinks.
And cookies.
Yes. Cookies are life. Another beautiful tradition is giving gifts.
A simple sentence is, I give gifts to my friends and family.
Give means you offer something with kindness.
Emily, do you prefer giving gifts or receiving gifts?
Giving gifts. It makes me happy.
Really? I prefer receiving gifts.
I knew it.
The word gift ends with a soft T.
Practice with us. Gift. Christmas gift. Warm smile. Music makes Christmas magical.
La 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 la.
Alex, please stop.
I tried.
A simple sentence is, I listen to Christmas music.
And after music, nothing is better than a warm, cozy drink.
Christmas also means hot drinks.
Hot chocolate, warm milk, ginger tea.
Here is a useful sentence. I drink hot chocolate in winter.
Hot chocolate means warm cocoa drink, sweet and soft.
And sometimes very sweet.
Perfect.
Another part of Christmas is visiting family.
Here's an easy sentence. I visit my family on Christmas.
Visit means you go to see someone, to spend time together.
Socialize means you spend time with people.
Family time is special.
Now, let's learn some simple Christmas words.
Repeat after us. Tree, lights, gift, snow, Santa, cookies.
Let's practice a small Christmas conversation.
Repeat with us. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you too.
Do you like Christmas lights?
Yes, I love Christmas lights.
Let's play a small quiz.
I ask, you answer in your mind.
Question 1. What is silent in the word Christmas?
Question 2, what do people decorate?
Question 3. What do people give?
Question 4. What drink is popular in winter?
Good job!
You're learning fast.
Today, we talked about Christmas traditions, Christmas food, lights, gifts, family, and simple English sentences.
We hope you felt warm, happy, and more confident in English.
Learning English is a journey, a slow, beautiful journey.
And we're here with you, every step.
If you liked this video, subscribe and join our growing family.
And watch our next lesson where we help you speak English with more confidence.
Merry Christmas.
And happy learning.
Bye.